The time now, 11:40 in the morning time on this Tuesday morning, January 21st, 2014 on a Tuesday morning at 7:30 for the Weather Magician PJ Wiggins. The Noontime Report. Tuesday morning, January 21st, 2014 on a Tuesday afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm the current conditions at 11:40 a.m. in North Massachusetts. Got a temperature of 20 degrees with a humidity of 43%. Wind speed north about 6 miles per hour. Barometer 30.04 inches. Dew point about 1 degree above zero with a visibility about 10 miles and wind chill about 12 degrees. Alright,
it's 1-something-967. We're missing a 4, 5, or 6.
Let's take a look at our radar scope, and it shows a flat line of snow from southeastern Massachusetts around New Bedford, Fall River, and Cape Cod. Search down 7 Rhode Island, down to 7 Connecticut, down for west 7 Massachusetts, down for 7 New York, down for New Jersey, down for eastern Pennsylvania, down for Maryland, northern Delaware, down for northern Virginia, down for West Virginia, down for western portions of Virginia, down for 7 portions of Ohio, down for 7 Indiana, down for Kentucky, down for north central Tennessee, and batches of snow showers around Cleveland area, and snow and sleet, rain showers in western portions of North Carolina, down for eastern portions of Tennessee, batches of rain showers in eastern portions of Tennessee, down for northwestern portions of Georgia, down for northeastern portions of Alabama. Here, batches of snow showers in southern portions of Illinois, down for western portions of Kentucky, down for southeastern portions of Missouri. A lot of snow showers in northwestern portions of Indiana, down for the Lake Michigan, and batches of snow showers in northwestern portions of Michigan, down for central portions of Michigan, of UP Michigan, batches of snow showers in northeastern portions of Michigan here.
Acorn's stairlift makes this totally possible.
A lot of rain showers in the east coast and southeastern and southwestern coast of Florida, and batches of rain showers and thunderstorms from the Gulf states, National and food, the northeastern portion of Florida, north of Tampa Bay, and snow showers in northwestern portion of Iowa. Here, batches of snow showers in north central portions of Nebraska, Tristan, east Dakotas, western Minnesota, down for 7 portions of Manitoba, down for southwestern portions of Ontario, and batches of snow showers in southwestern portions of Saskatchewan, down for central portions of Alberta. Here, and batches of snow showers in northeastern portions of British Columbia. Sleet pellets down through the central portions of British Columbia. Here.
Free information kit and no obligation quote.
Alden, Kansas. Good evening. Good afternoon. 13 degrees with blue skies. Alright, let's take a look at a satellite loop, and it shows batches of clouds from New England, down for Atlantic Canada, stretching down for New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, down for the Mountain region, and down for Ohio, down for West Virginia, down for Kentucky, Tennessee, down for northern Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, down for western Carolinas, and stretching down for southeastern portions of Missouri, down for Illinois, down for Lake Michigan, down for northern and eastern portions of Michigan, down for UP Michigan. Okay, another batch of clouds of eastern portions of Kansas and Missouri, down through the northern plains, Dakotas, and down for northeastern Montana. And stretching down through
Get your billion back, America.
Saskatchewan, down for Manitoba, stretching down for 7 portions of Alberta, down for British Columbia, and stretching down for western portions of Washington. Batches of clouds from 7 portions of California, and then through western and western portions of Mexico, down for western portions of Arizona. Batches of clouds from 7 portions of Georgia, down for northern and 7 portions of Florida. Alright, let's take a look at a map situation. Here it shows high pressure centered in Iowa, eastern portion of Ontario, western portion of Colorado, and southern portions of British Columbia, and eastern portions of Kansas, and western portions of Texas. Low pressure centered in western North Carolina. And a cold front from British Columbia, down for 7 Alberta, down for Saskatchewan, and a warm station front from western Dakotas, down for Nebraska. And a cold front from central Kansas, down for Oklahoma, down for Arkansas, down for Tennessee, Kentucky, and a station front from Southern Ohio, down for Pennsylvania, and New York. And a cold front from central Mexico, down for the Gulf of Mexico, down in northern Florida, down for southern Georgia, and stretching down to the coastal Carolinas, and off to the sea. Front of boundary in northern Quebec, another front of boundary from southwestern portions of Arizona, down western Baja California, Mexico, and then front of boundary in central California, and then up the California coastline. Here, it's 15 out in Boston, 36 out in Washington, D.C., 48 out in Atlanta, 66 out in Miami, 59 in Brownsville, 39 in Dallas. But we can get in the Midwest, 5 above in Kansas City, 2 above in Chicago, 11 below in Minneapolis. 38 out in Denver, 29 in Albuquerque, 20 out in Salt Lake City, 32 in Great Falls, 36 in Seattle, 47 in San Francisco, and 56 out in Los Angeles. Here. Alright.
80. Yeah, I was going to say, gee, that's nothing to complain about, 80.
Okay, short range forecast discussion. Arctic air masses arriving in the eastern United States. Snowstorm for the Middle Atlantic and the New England and continue to dry and warm across the western United States. Weather pattern across the continental United States throughout the middle of the work week will be featured in a strong level of upper level ridge across the western states and a large scale trail throughout the eastern half of the country over the west coast and into mountain west. At very dry weather pattern is expected to be continued throughout Wednesday. The upper level ridges resulting in widespread sunny to particular skies and very pleasant temperatures for this time of the year. The bad news here is the Gordon Drought is worsening and no significant relief appears in sight this week. On the east coast, it's a forecast of snow that is making weather headlines. A wave of low pressure is developing along a strong Arctic front sinking currently southward without the Mid-Atlantic, and this is expected development of a strong surface flow off the coast of New England. This will result in an expanding shield of moderate to locally heavy snow from the central Appalachians to southern New England, including all the Mid-Atlantic region. Winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories are in effect for these areas, with snowfall amounts ranging from a couple inches nearly for expected. The greatest total elected for southern New England gusty winds are likely in these areas to accompany snow. It'll be winter wonderland for these areas. Elsewhere around the continental United States, and have a cold front will reinforce a bitterly cold weather across the central and northern United States for the middle of the week. This will produce scattered snow showers, but will give it the lack of any significant moisture source. Amounts are expected to be light. A few areas of light snow are also possible over the western High Plains. It's nearly a stationary front.
If it doesn't go around at least once, then that's too bad, yeah.
Forecast discussion for New England will go like this. Synopsis: strengthening low pressure will pass southeast of New England along a salt front boundary tonight and into tomorrow, delivering snow across the region. Ocean effect snow showers will linger across the Cape and the Islands on Wednesday. Cold and dry weather will likely Thursday and Friday. A possible snow system will move throughout the region over the weekend, bringing rain and snow. 11 a.m. update. Light snow slowly overspread the region from the south, while snow remains light in the onset. Visibilities have been quickly deteriorating. Visibility at White Plains, New York is down to 1 mile less an hour and still only started the previous hour. I expect snow to overspread northern Connecticut, Rhode Island, and southern Massachusetts no later than noon. This is a couple of hours earlier than previously forecast, so I've updated the pups to reflect this. At 10 a.m. update, have upgraded Hillsborough County to a winter storm warning and Cheshire County to a winter weather advisory. Have updated snowfall totals, increasing them a bit throughout southern New Hampshire, while the ranges on the website have been upgraded in the next range. Snowfall totals have only been increased in 1 to 2 inches. Further updates mainly to pups will be coming in the next hour or so. However, they look reasonable for the moment. There. All right.
Have an increased risk of death or stroke. Call your doctor if you have high fever, stiff muscles, and confusion to address a
winter storm affect the region into tomorrow. Here. Blizzard conditions late tonight into Wednesday morning during the peak winds. Snowfall 10 to 14 inches on the Cape and Islands, 8 to 10 inches on the Interstate 95 corridor, and eastern Massachusetts and 40 inches in over Rhode Island, Connecticut, and central and northeastern Massachusetts and southeastern New Hampshire, generally less than the western Massachusetts and southwest New Hampshire. Begins late today, heaviest overnight on Wednesday morning. Winds northerly to northeasterly, strongest late tonight on Wednesday morning. 45-55 miles per hour for the Cape and the Islands, 35-45 miles per hour gusts for the Rhode Island, eastern Massachusetts, 30 miles per hour or less generally inland, and wind chills below 15 degrees. Below zero.
There are plenty of reasons people are saying.
And we are under a winter storm warning remains in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Locations: Essex and Bristol County, as well as western Plymouth County in Massachusetts. Heavy snowmelt hazard. Snow accumulations 8 to 12 inches. Timing from midday through Wednesday morning. And in fact, snow-covered road will cause difficult driving conditions. Periods of moderate to heavy snow along with gusty winds will cause visibilities of 1 mile or less at times. Winds north to 15-25 miles per hour, gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Precautionary preparedness actions of winter storm warning is issuing an average of 6 or more inches of snow expected in a 12-hour period. Or for 8 or more inches in a 24-hour period, travel will be slower at best on well-treated surfaces and quite difficult on unplowed untreated surfaces.
Without filing a lawsuit or
Day 1 today and tonight, winter storm warning, and day 2 for 7 Wednesday for Monday. Winter storm warning and strong Arctic air will move into southern New England, dropping in wind chills. Values between 15 and 20 degrees below 0 times Wednesday into Thursday. Wind chill advisories will likely be needed again Wednesday night and across the interior. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this. For today, snow showers mainly after 1 p.m. Cloudy skies with a high near 23 degrees. No wind about 8 miles per hour. Chance precipitation 70%. Total daytime snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches possible. Tonight, snow showers with areas of blowing snow, lower end 14 degrees. North wind about 11-18 miles per gust size, 41 miles per hour. Chance precipitation is 100%. New snow accumulation of 5 to 9 inches possible. Wednesday, snow showers with areas of blowing snow before 1 p.m. Then a slight chance of snow showers between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Then high near 16 degrees. Wind chill, foul stuff. Low is 8 below 0. Northwest wind about 11 to 17 miles per gust of 41 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 9%. New stern accumulation of 1 to 3 inches possible. Wednesday night, podcast got low and 2 above 0. Wind chill foul says low is 8 below. Winds about 6 to 9 miles per hour. Thursday. Puts the science skies high near 18 degrees. West wind about 5 to 11 miles per hour. Gust of 22 miles per hour. Thursday night, podcast got low and 3 degrees. Friday, science skies high near 15 degrees. Friday night, most skies got lower around 9 degrees. Saturday, chance of snow, most of the skies high near 33 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. And for Saturday night, chance of snow, most skies got low and 16 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. For Sunday, but the science skies high near 26 degrees. Sunday night, most skies got low and 15 degrees. And for Monday, most of the skies with a high near 28 degrees. Peters with a phrase of the day. A snowy, stormy day on top. This is BJ with you. Have a good day with a good positive attitude here.